Listen, I'm just chilling. Yo, break this. Now just for a while, here's the deal. I'm here to rock, shock, rhyme, roll, and chill. Sit in the chair and grab a microphone and tell your other sucker MCs to leave it alone. Cause it's about time for a rapper to rhyme and serve all suckers, cause I got time. So if you wanna party, well get on the floor and dance to the beat till you can't no more. Now DJ Slice will enhance the rhythm to the funky fresh rhyme and the cold momentum. As I sit here and rap it, feel straight scratching. Look at you sucker cause you don't know what's happening. Me, I'm a player, an MC slayer. My middle name is last name's Jaya. Nevertheless, I got you going to the sound. The funky fresh rapper who's got to go down. Makes you wanna move and rock, shock, and chill. And tell yourself cause I can rap it cause I gotta get real. And DJ Slice is always on uncut. And your suckers in the party, straight was up. So when you listen to me and my fresh DJ, you hear the beat, that's right, cause I really don't play. I got you going to move and groove and rock, shock, and 247. Oh well, I can't stop, baby, cause I'm a player who rocks and rolls to the microphone, taking full control. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. There was a girl, she was sweet and fine, a cute young Tina that had to be mine. Rolling down the street in the 89 vet, slices to the right with fat gold in his neck. Me, I'm hitting streets, intersections and corners. When I seen this girl and I smooth jumped on her, I said, hello girl and how you doing? She had a little time, we talked and got to it. Fresh, you know what I'm saying? She was tender. A cute young girl had to be on my agenda. So damn fine, like a glass of wine. Drink it up cause you know she's one of a kind. The girl is lovely with a real big chest, a beautiful tender outdoing the rest. Oh man, I kept saying to myself, this girl's worth more than just fame and wealth. I said, hello, can I talk to you for a minute of this so we can smooth come through? So I took her to the pad for a bite to eat. Now dinner's over, it's time to free. Break for a while, you know what I mean? I had it going on fresh like it wasn't no thing. Cause I was a rapper, this is how it went. In my pad, a lot of times she spent. Cause I'm cool, the rockin', and I'm Jay, the fresh MC who rocks his way. And tell DJ Slice, yo, to hit the cut. Until the girl on the floor, you better wiggle that butt. Cause I rock it, rhyme it, and roll it. Just like this, but you might not know it. Kool Rock J got you going on to the fresh beat, to the break of dawn. I'm just chillin'. Yo, I'm in a mellow mood cause I'm chillin'. I'm just chillin'. Give me a break. So deaf I am, rock the mic cause I can, cause I'm Kool Rock, a hell of a man. I break down to the beat because you know it's sweet. I see the tenors wanna look because they take a peek. And when I'm rolling by, the girlfriend says hi. The reason why, I just can't deny that I'm a rapper, a rhymer who rocks and shot to the dope beat that just don't stop. And when I'm in a party and the party is packed, I get dope to the beat and slices on the scratch. I make them wanna move and rock, shock and dance to the beat and the sucker fronts take the chance. And I'm an MC who rocks the sound, and my boys the beat is down, smooth to the ground. Cause I'm a cold Russian, rhyming, cool rockin', Kool Rock J, cause there ain't no stopping. To me cause I'm greater, slices on the fader. And all the girls keep saying I'm a player, I'm really not. My name's just Kool Rock, just the best dope rapper who's on your block. So when you move, you gotta hip hop to the rhythm. I'm funky fresh in a party, I get in them. Wax, tack, stacking all sucker MCs who try to front, a pump, a cop, a plea. Cause I'm never, ever gonna be what you might call a sucker MC, because I write the rhymes to the fresh design. And look at the time because I gotta get mine. And to the producer in which I get looser. Man's amazed because all the cold juicer. I get paid and then I break to the jewelry store. I got change but I need some more. Got bracelets and rings and cold play.